What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in San Clemente, California, working for a wonderful family that called me to do a lot of different things to this house. For example, over in the driveway, they wanted to put a ring floodlight camera, but as you can see, it has all this uneven stone. But with Home Tech Expert, I was able to chisel and level it out and install the Ring Pro floodlight camera for the driveway and make it look like it was centered and even and symmetrical and installed there originally with the house. In this backyard, it is absolutely gorgeous, but what is it missing? It's missing a TV. Now, the husband is big time into sports and he likes to be able to fire up the grill, have the game on in the background. And then so they want to make it to where, again, it's clean and professional with hidden wiring, installing a TV on a pull-out, swing-out type bracket with a Sonos soundbar speaker. Now, one thing that I want to show you is that they have a big backyard, right? So inside the kitchen and upstairs in the loft area, I went ahead and I set up two Sonos Move Generation 2. These are the new model wireless portable speakers. So that way they could stretch it out and put these speakers, one by the pool and another one by the sitting lawn chair area. And while having also the TV with the soundbar speaker so they can have music all over the backyard. With these Sonos Move Generation 2 speakers, they have 24-hour rechargeable batteries inside and they sound absolutely awesome. And they also have built-in voice control to be able to control any room, anywhere. Let's check it out. Hey Sonos, play music everywhere at 70%. Hey Sonos, stop. That sounds absolutely amazing. You know, their friends and family coming over are really going to enjoy that. And I went ahead and I also ordered an outdoor TV cover after measuring out the TV so they could take care of it when the TV's not in use. Looking at this beautiful big backyard, you could really see why I did the 65-inch TV with the soundbar speaker and the two wireless speakers to really cover the audio back there. Inside of the house, I used the best smart thermostat, an Ecobee Premium Pro Smart Thermostat. With this smart thermostat, it has Siri voice control as well as touchscreen and being able to operate the heater or the air conditioner from their phone. Looking upstairs in the primary bedroom, they wanted to do another 65-inch Samsung TV with a Sonos soundbar speaker, but notice that the wall has wood paneling and it's an exterior wall on top of that. So it makes it very difficult to do the installation to make it look like it was originally there from the builder. If you want to get something done professionally like this, clean and simple to use, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.